Yeah, I want us to discuss how you can leverage on the intangible assets that you have to make more money, generate more revenue, either as a company or as an individual. You see, most organizations have learned to leverage on their image, leverage on their reputation, their brand reputation, leverage on their knowledge to make more money for themselves. And when they do this, they explore the image that they have built over the years, the clout that they have, the trust that they have, the goodwill, the good name that their reputation has procured them. They trade this for money. The reputation of competence, the reputation of expertise, the reputation of professionalism. They package it corporately and leverage it as a brand to earn more money, generate more revenue. You see, those that have uh, uh, those organizations that have reputation and had gone into franchise, that is just what they do. You want to run a restaurant and you want to use our name, this is what you pay to us. Set up the restaurant by yourself, pay for all the equipment, we train the staff so that they can run at our own standard and run it under our name. What they're selling to you is their brand reputation, and they are making money from that. So that is an intangible asset that they have, their image, their reputation, their brand. They are selling it to you, making it available for you to use. And as you make money, you are giving them commission or you are paying them ahead in order for you to use their image on your own business sphere. So most companies have machineries. Your machineries can be underutilized, and you are taking products from another company to process the same machine, extending the hour in which it can work to earn you more money instead of remaining idle for a season or remaining idle for some hours of the day or some hours of the month or some period of the year. You are putting it to use so that it can earn you more money. You have staff. Most of them are well educated with strong competence in consultancy, and you cannot take up consultancy jobs. And those same staff with the same expenses on them can take up these additional responsibilities. And by trading on their own knowledge and competencies, your company will earn more revenue in the process. Some individuals cannot give you contacts or connections to make money without negotiating how much you will give to them in return. By you, as a new business, for example, associating with them, that association will give you positive perception in the market audience consideration. And some people can patronize you because they know that you are connected to us. You see some boutique that sell clothes. When an influential person in the society comes to buy from them, they flaunt that reality. They flaunt that transaction. If a reputable company engages the services of a software designer, of a web designer, that designer will flaunt the patronage from that reputable organization. And by that, more people will now come to trust him and give him jobs to do. They will patronize his services. So these are intangible assets that people have leveraged. Most online influencers, that is exactly what they do. They are trading on their popularity, they are trading on the influence that they have over a particular market niche, such that when they take your product and introduce it to that their audience, they know that many of them will be convinced and persuaded to come and use that product. And in the process, you will pay them, and you too will make money from the improved or increased sales that you will experience. So anything that can make you trade on your influence, anything that can make you trade on your name, your organizational name or individual name, or your reputation or your brand, that is leveraging on intangible assets. So you have to understand these concepts and put them to use. Most people see it as leaving money on the table when they don't explore that which can give them additional revenue. It is a possibility. If they don't do it, they are losing money. But if they leverage it, they can make more money in the process. So don't let your staff have opportunity to make you more money by trading on the knowledge that they have, for which you could have used to serve other clients and make more money. Don't let your machinery be underutilized when it can earn you much more money when you take up additional responsibilities for it. Don't let your image, your reputation remain without earning you money when it should be earning you money. Allow others to leverage on that image that you have. Allow others to leverage on the connections and contacts that you have by introducing company A to do business with company B, by helping company A to facilitate a loan from company B. Think of the image that you have, the reputation that you have, the power of your brand, and trade with it. Explore it so that you generate more money, and in the process you can now generate additional income. These are ideas that most people are not thinking about, and I just want to suggest for you to start thinking along that line and start leveraging on your assets that are intangible. Some of the people that work with you now have some other capacities. Most people that are under your employment have other competencies, professional qualifications, abilities, but you only engage them for a particular function, and they have competence to handle most of the responsibilities for which you are outsourcing to outsiders, for which you are engaging consultants to fulfill for you, and you pay them. That money is wasted. So you can leverage on your intangible assets, staff, employees in this instance, to make you more money or to save you money. It depends on the knowledge that you have on how to leverage these concepts, but it's a reality, and you can use them to not leave money at the table. Ucheka is the name, and I want to say thank you.